Hi, I'll be discussing the National Service Training Program or NSTP. It is a program in the Philippines designed to enhance the civic consciousness and defense preparedness of students. It is a mandatory program for tertiary level students in the country. The NSTP aims to develop students' sense of patriotism and commitment to national service. There are three programs and three components of National Service Training Program. One is the Reserve Officers Training Corps, or ROTC, focuses on military training and discipline. The second is Literacy Training Services, or LTS. It involves teaching literacy, numeracy at marginalized communities. The third one is the Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS. It engages students in various community service activities aimed at improving the quality of life in communities. What is the importance of NSTP? First is the civic responsibility. The NSTP students helps understand the role and responsibility in nation building and encourages them to be active and responsible citizens. The second is community service. By engaging in community service projects, students contribute to societal development and gain a deeper understanding of social issues. The third is skill development. It enhances the students' skills such as leadership, teamwork, and problem solving through its different components. The fourth is the patriotism and nationalism. NSTP fosters a sense of patriotism and national pride by connecting students with the country's history, culture, and current issues. And lastly is preparedness and safety. Through ROTC, students gain knowledge about national defense and emergency preparedness, which can be valuable in times of crisis. Overall, the National Service Training Program plays a crucial role in shaping responsible and service-oriented citizens while addressing community needs and contributing to the national development.